Hi there, so are you a fashion designer or a seamstress and you want to grow your income revenues and your income streams, but you're not sure how to? How about looking at an affiliate program? The benefits of basically tapping into affiliate program is you're going to be making money while you sleep. You're making extra money. So you'll be generating more incomes. You'll be able to grow your platform, to grow your followers and subscribers, show them that you have other products as well. And also you're going to be coming across more of an expert in your industry, in your field, because you've got more products to share and to talk about, which also gives you more content to create more content for Pinterest or material for Instagram or materials for any form of social media that you have, because now you've got more products that you can talk about and share and at the same time make money. This is Tania Sutherland, a fashion entrepreneurial startup business coach, as well as a fashion designer, creating my own collection on patterns. And I've taken all this experience and I've created, packages that you can sell or turn it into a business that you can actually grow your business and expand your incomes through the business packages that I offer, as well as I do a lot of talks about, having the right confidence, creating habits for success, and how to dress like a designer and to dress with success and absolute confidence. It's the entire package all combined together. It's about how you present yourself. So if you enjoy this kind of content, check out my website for all of the other packages and stick around. And so press that subscribe button and like and share, because there's so much more to come that I can share with you to help you grow your business and give you many ideas of how you can turn your sewing into a little business or generate income from beginners to advanced seamstresses and designers. So I also create all the content ahead. So it's about collaborating together because we love what we're doing as designers and seamstresses, and just of course being a fashion boss. I also create all the content ahead anyway, so you can always share and repost and reshare my YouTube videos that I create on a weekly basis. Plus I'm always posting on Instagram, and I can just hashtag you, and you can just hashtag and share it to your fans and your followers and your subscribers. So I'm making it very easy and very friendly for us to make a lot of money together and just to grow our business. And the more money you make, the closer you're coming to the dreams you are coming to creating the life that you want, as well as having more freedom and more money in the bank. So what would you need? You would need to have, maybe a PayPal account or a bank account, as well as an Instagram business account, which is easy to do, as well as a Facebook page, which is a business account. And to make your life even easier, you can actually pre-schedule everything, so you're not wasting so much time. You can just set one day and actually schedule on the business platform on the Facebook page, and just schedule all your posts all ahead of time, so that you really got all your posts going out on a weekly, daily basis, and you can basically just earn income through you posting out before the time. Many scheduling apps which are free, which you can tap into news and pre-schedule all the posts and content before the time, so that you can actually spend more money making money with other things that you do as well. You are still partnering as affiliate and creating and generating content around the products and growing your audience and growing the awareness and also growing your bank balance. So what else would you need to do? You would just need to show up and just be active and have fun, just making more money. To find out more about how you can become an affiliate, check out the link below, go into the website, and all you would need to do is to fill in the forms, and then it gives you all the steps from that point onwards, what you would need to do. And me as a content creator, I'm here to guide you and help you as well, to help you grow your income streams as well as my own. It's all about collaborating and just sharing the wealth.